Hello, this is a walkthrough tutorial for setting up Duo Multi-Factor Authentication for your ASU-Beebe login. Duo Multi-Factor Authentication keeps your ASU-Beebe account secure by sending alerts and notifications to your smartphone regarding new logins. With the Duo mobile app, you can verify and confirm account logins. The easiest way to complete the Duo sign-up process is on a web browser using a PC, Mac, or tablet while also having access to your mobile phone. If you do not have a mobile phone, you can use a tablet or request a fob. To request a fob, please contact the IT help desk by sending an email to helpdesk@asub.edu, by giving us a call at 501-882-8999, or by visiting the virtual help desk using the link in the description. Also, Duo allows multiple devices to be linked to an account, so you could use your mobile phone and a fob or two different mobile devices. Okay, let's jump into a quick walkthrough of the Duo sign-up process. The Duo Multi-Factor Authentication will appear when signing into your ASU-Beebe account. In this example, I'm signing into the Outlook student email account on a web browser. Student email usernames are typically firstname.lastname@asub.edu. Next, enter your password and click Sign In. Now, this sign-in attempt has prompted us to register for Duo. When ready, click Start Setup. On this page, you will add a device. This step is very important. Regardless of device, you must select tablet, or else the setup will fail. Once you have selected tablet, click Continue. Now, select the operating system of your device. If an iPhone user, select iOS. If you are a Samsung, Google Pixel, LG, Moto, or many other brands, it is likely an Android device. For this tutorial, I am going to select Android. After selecting a device type, click Continue. Next, we are going to install the Duo mobile app to a smartphone. For Android users, open your phone to the home screen, tap the dotted All Apps icon, tap the search menu at the top of the screen, type Duo Mobile, and then press Search on Google Play. Now, tap Install, and once downloaded, tap Open. For iPhone users, on the home menu, tap the App Store icon, select the search bar, and then type Duo Mobile. The first or second result should be Duo Mobile. Tap Get on Duo, and once downloaded, press Open. Now that Duo Mobile is installed on your phone, click I have Duo Mobile installed on your web browser. This will bring up a barcode to scan. Jumping back to your phone with Duo Mobile open, tap Get Started on the Welcome page. Next, you will have to grant Duo permission to access your phone's camera. Tap Allow to continue. The permission menu might look a little different for iPhone. Now the rear camera on your phone will open. All you have to do is hold your phone's camera up to the barcode on your browser screen. The phone will automatically read the barcode. A load screen will briefly appear on your phone when successfully scanned. Also, a green check mark will display on the browser page. If there is an issue scanning the barcode, try reopening the camera in the Duo app. Click Continue for the next step. Now we are on the Duo Settings page. In the Device Options menu, you can change the name of your device on Duo, and if needed, reactivate your Duo mobile device. We are going to leave these options the same. In the drop-down menu, you can select Authentication Method. I would recommend automatic push notifications for your phone. This can be changed later though. Click Continue to log in for the final step. The Duo account setup is complete. Now we are going to sign in. This is the only part of Duo that you will normally repeat in the future. If you selected automatic push notifications in the last step, your phone may have already received a sign-in notification. If not, click Send Me a Push. Open your phone and tap on the notification to verify your login. Press Accept to log in. For future reference, do not accept verifications if you did not attempt to sign in. Alternatively, if you want to log in using the passcode, click Enter Passcode on the browser. Open the Duo mobile app and enter the randomly generated passcode on the main screen of the Duo app. If needed, select the refresh button on the Duo app to generate a new passcode. Also, you do not have to enter spaces for the passcode. This prompt asks us if we want to remain signed in. Only select Yes if you're using a personal device. Alright, we're registered for Duo Multi-Factor Authentication, and signed into Outlook student email. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Information Technology Services. Thank you for watching.